This week I am testing the very beautiful Alfa Romeo Giulia Sedan. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Infosecure. In the back of the Alfa Romeo Giulia, there are Isofix in the two outer rear seats. They are within plastic guides and nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages behind all three rear headrests, and they're really nice and easy to access in that rear parcel shelf. Now I can install two Infosecure child seats in the back here. I've got the Attain more rear facing and the Aspire more forward facing. I couldn't fit a third child seat because these rear seats are really quite sculpted and moulded. Now legroom is quite good in here too. With rear facing child seats we could fit a 186cm passenger in the front or about a 180cm driver. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. In the back of the Giulia, the storage is minimal. There's a fold down in the central seat back with two cup holders. They will hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. There are net mat pockets on the back of both front seats that will hold but not conceal an iPad. And the door bins are really small in the back here. They will just hold a small refillable water bottle. And there are little storage handle wells too. There are air vents in the back of the central console in the Giulia, which is great for keeping those rear passengers the right temperature while you're driving along. In the front, the storage is better. There are two cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. In front of them is a little area that's good for popping your sunglasses, and you've got a USB and 12-volt socket there too. Behind the gear lever, the central console box is small, but you've also got a wireless phone charging pad there as well. The glove box is a good size in here, but it would only just hold my wallet with the manual. The door bins are small in the front too. They would only just hold a small water bottle. There are two sunroofs in the ceiling of the Giulia, which is really nice so that the kids can have a separate one, and you can open that up for them while you're driving along. It's especially nice at night. The boot opens really nice and easily and quietly. Let's find out how much we can fit.
Empty, it would hold 12 shopping bags, or a twin pram with no shopping bags, a tandem pram with 2 shopping bags, a single pram with 4 shopping bags, or a compact stroller with 7 shopping bags. No dog will fit because it's got a fixed parcel shelf.
The Giulia Sedan is a car you buy for the looks and the drive, and the fact that it's quite practical for families too is a bonus. It's absolutely beautiful to drive, really good fun around roundabouts and out on the open road, and really quite practical and nice around town, and parking and school drop-offs and things like that is fine too. Visibility is a little bit tricky out of the back sides, and you do have to rely heavily on your side mirrors. The media system in the Giulia is really nice and easy to navigate using a rotary dial down in the central console. Now it does have a CarPlay, which is really fantastic, so you can access your phone while you're driving along. You also can control the climate through the media screen, and you can also control a lot of the driver assistance safety settings as well through here too, which is great. Now when you put it into reverse, that camera image is really small and is a little bit pixelated. You can turn those parking sensors on and off with a button by the driver's right knee. So to sum up with the Alfa Romeo Giulia Sedan, it does make a really luxury and enjoyable family car. You can fit those two child seats nicely in the back. That boot space is really lovely and practical for a family, being a sedan. Legroom is quite good too, and the drive is sensational, and that media system is good with the CarPlay as well.